How you guys doing? This is Kai, BMW of Bend. Today we're going to go over door lock options. The demo car I'm using is a 2018 BMW X3. This has the brand new iDrive 6.0, so some of the features and menu items might be different than what you have, but overall the general options will be the same. On the main menu, we're going to go into My Vehicle. Then we're going to go to Vehicle Settings. Scroll down to Doors and Key. And then we'll be in the Doors and Key options. The lock options, top option is currently set for driver's door. So you can have this where it opens all doors when you either one, grab the handle on the driver's side door for comfort access, or if you press the unlock button on the key fob. One press would open just the driver's door, the second press would open all doors. And if you had comfort access, one grab on the driver's side handle, that'll open just the driver's side handle. The tailgate, this sometimes is a misconception, but pressing the tailgate button on the key fob from default from the factory only opens the tailgate, but you can have it also unlock all the doors if you prefer. In this menu you can also adjust the tailgate height. So if it opens up too high and you need it to open up lower for reaching reasons, or maybe you have a low ceiling in your garage, you can adjust that. And most of these options are pretty self-explanatory, but one that does get easily confused is the lock automatically. So the car will unlock when you press the unlock button, and if you don't open a door within about a minute, it's going to lock all the doors again. So it's nice for those accidental presses in the pocket or something like that. But the misconception is that the car will just lock itself once you exit the vehicle, which is not true. So just keep that in mind. But for the most part, these other options are pretty straightforward. Some of the newer ones in iDrive 6 are unlock at the end of trip, and folding mirrors, those fold in when the door is locked. All right, so that's a general overview of the door lock options. If you have further questions, give us a call or stop by at BMW of Bend.
Kendall, let's start something great.